So other people just leave over here and uh, just we stop, just wait for a while. I'm going to stop the recording. I have some query to build to shiller address. Want to, so it is showing the multiple items. So because
Recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
okay, so in our last class we were thinking that we are not getting the correct output, but the output was correct because this particular VBELN, this particular 184 VBELN is having the one item only, so it is showing only one item. Okay, but if you go and check for the another VBELN, this one 189, it is having multiple item, so it is showing the multiple item. So it's perfectly fine, it's working good. Now what we want to do that here, summation we have seen, program lines also we have seen, right? How to use the program lines. Okay, let's go and see some more stuff over there. Go into page 1, build to shiller address or this detail we have in the footer address. Let's suppose if you want to display the page number, suppose you have some multiple, you know, uh, let's understand that you have this item number. Suppose you have 20 items or 30 items or 40 items, something like that. Okay, let's just assume that you have 50 items. So what I will do that, just to reproduce that scenario, what I will do, I'll go back, go into change mode, and that a where condition, you know, we have written a where condition, right, which is limiting the record. So item detail, come over here, and this where condition I'll just remove at this point of time. I want to get more data. Okay, and up to 50 rows I will get. Okay, so it is independent of VBLN and all. Okay, so I want to get this 50 record up to 50 rows. Full stop, activate, and now run this. Now it is not going to make any sense, okay, because the where condition we have removed. And this time we'll see that 3 pages is coming, 1, 2, 3, from 1 of 3, right? I want to go to this, so everything is now fulfilled. And here what you are able to get that the total amount is 2,91,814. Okay, 2,91,814 this is. Now go to the next page, right? And this is the next page, 2 of 3, 2,91,814, right? Again you go to the next page, last page also 2,91,814, right? So this is the third page. So the total item here, it is showing 2 lakh. Now can you tell me, is it okay, is it means the summation here at last is everywhere coming
No,
as
sir. No, sir.
the subtotal should display, right? It should
Yeah,
display
yeah.
the subtotal. Yeah, it should display the subtotal on each page. So if you have to display the subtotal on each page, you'll have to do some, means, you know, you'll have to change some settings. Okay, let's go and explore the various settings. Okay, here in this row, if you observe that footer line type, here only I have written that code, right? The total and all this stuff we have written. So in the output option, you can see that here you have at page break and at end of table. So if you either what you would like to do, you would like to get the complete print at the end of the table. So just remove this at page break and use this at end of table, and let's go and observe the output. Okay, activate this, come over, just go back and press F8, scroll down, and you can see that here now the output is not coming, right? Only you will be able to see at last. And now here, so this is one way like you can get at last the output. But suppose if you want to get the subtotal on each page, that is also possible. Okay, that is also possible. So at page break option, obviously you'll have to select and you'll have to write some logic. Let me see that where we are supposed to write that logic. I need to table, go here, table, calculations, maybe what to do, operation, field, target, time, set field, reset. I'm not able to remember that how to do the subtotal. Let me see over here how to do subtotal in a Smartform. Okay, to get the subtotal on each page in the Smartform, so such like that you can quickly Google it out, you'll be able to get the answer. So here in table section, right, the sum total is there, and then new price, this is okay, before loop, okay, fine. So this is the way, one way we can do in the program also. At new page, some syntax is there at new page kind of, that also I need to check. I don't remember exactly at this point of time, but here you have this option. Okay, so now how the data is printing, right? How the data is printing, the data is printing with the help of this code line, right? This code line, if you see that, this code line, I have double clicked on this, and due to this code line the data is printing a loop at height underscore behavior with this, right, due to this code line. So here at new page, something like that, the syntax is there, either you can use this one or the one which it is telling that we can go. I'm going to comment this one because we'll be using that. Remember that gv underscore total price is responsible for showing the total price. Okay, this will be also, with the help of this we are going to use that subtotal option. All right, save it, and now because we have removed this logic, it will not be able to show you the output anything. Okay, go and check, go back, press F8, come over here, go to the last page, and last page also nothing you are able to see, 000, right, because we have removed that logic. We are going to use the inbuilt logic, inbuilt graphical tool, and from there we'll write the logic. Go to the calculations, and the operation, you'll have to choose the total, right, and the field name, what actually you'll have to give the field name, w a hyphen, go to this table, go to this data, and here we have given the work area w underscore bbrp, right. Go to this calculation, w underscore bbrp, a hyphen, it was NET WR, net price, right, NET WR, net price, and the target field, what is that target field, w that gv, no, gv total price something it was there. Go to this global definition, from there you will copy, come to this data, once again main table, and sorry, table, go to this data, and we'll give this value over here. In calculation we'll give this value over here, and you can see that here it's giving the option before loop, after loop, right, it's giving the option. Use this after loop option over here, and for field name this is fine, reset, Let me see if they are giving anything else. Initialization we'll have to check before loop. Okay, initialization. So every after each page break, it's going to initialize the value, and because it will initialize, what will happen? If it's going to initialize, what will happen? It will add the value, right? Just save it and activate this one, and now it has been activated. Let's go and see if it's going to give you the correct output or not. Press F8 and go down, and you can see that subtotal you are able to print it successfully. So like that, now you can explore yourself. There are many things in this Smartform, but these are the important things you can do yourself. So the better Smartform tutorial you can get it from SAP Technical, right? You can get the list of Smartform tutorials from here, the multiple. But if you know whatever we have discussed over here, at least you will be able to complete many things. Okay, and for the remaining things, that you can directly go to the Smartform tutorials of the SAP Technical or SAP course. Also you can check it out over there. So fine. Now suppose I want to display footer number, page 1 of this, page 2 of this, page 3 of this, something like that we want to display. Okay, how to do that? Go to the Smartform and go to this footer area. This footer area, right? In this footer area, the line type which I'm going to define it over here, right? So line type where we define this line type. So you can see that inside this row 3, here the line type we are giving it over here. So in this line type we'll create one extra space for the page, right? Page number, the total page number, correct? The total page number will create one extra space. So let's go into the template, double click on this table and come over here, go to this table, and now this is the footer line type, right? This footer line type, what I will try to do that, here here I will give some page number here, or other thing also you can do. Okay, what other thing you can do? You can create a template. And at last of the window you can print that one. That is also possible. There are several ways which you can do, so that way also we can do here at last. So I will decrease its size a little bit. Okay, and I'll put that one here, give 75% only, and the page number here I will display here. Okay, so create one window. Without window you will not be able to create any you will not be able to display anything. Okay, so template or window, you can choose it over here, this window, and this window is just to display the page number over here. Okay, so put it over here. Okay, good. So double click and come over here, right click, page number window. Okay, page number, save it and check it, activate this one. Okay, it is now activated. Good. So the page number we are able to see it over here. Now right click and click on this create a text line. With the help of text only we'll be able to print that one. Okay, double click on this text so that the editor will open and I will be able to write it over there. It's taking some time. Oh, the same problem is coming. Okay, the same problem started coming. Okay, I got, because I have again changed my office from 2007 to 2013. So this is again a problem. What I will do that, you know, I'll have to close this one, this SAP GUI, and I'll close this. I'll close this one. I'll close. Now it has been closed. Okay. Come over here and MSTC. I have another system, and there I will check if it is having the same problem or it's working fine, because here it is not possible to install very quickly that office again and remove all the settings. I'll check over there if it's working, and then accordingly we'll take the action. So come over here into this SAP logon, and here we are having the different systems. Maybe we can choose one of the system over here, one for S4 IDES. Let's start with S4 IDES. /n Smartforms. Give some form name or something like this, ZSF test or ZMB20 to my demo. Okay, click on this create test, save it, a local object, right click, create text. Remember allow. Good, here it's working fine. So what we will do that, you know, okay, but the development we have done over there, again we'll have to, you know, again we'll have to start development from scratch, right? But you know, such kind of scenario we will frequently faced, right? So what we have the option of download and upload over here. So what we can do that, we can download this particular Smartform, you know, from this system, and then we can upload it over there and we can directly use it over there, because it's working over there perfectly. So what I will do, I will download. So how to migrate one smartphone, how to migrate a smartphone from one system to another system, this topic also will cover by this real-time example, right? So you can just see that how this real-time, it's you know, a kind of real-time stuff we are having over here, because we have this requirement. Go to this Smartform, go into this display mode, and you will get one option to download under the utilities or environment somewhere. Let me check with, yeah, in the utility you can see the download form is there, and we'll download this Smartform. ZMB23 demo SF is there now. So you'll download in some desktop or somewhere else. Quick access, desktop, libraries, and this documents, maybe I can download. Okay, so Smartforms, save it, allow. So Smartform we have downloaded. Now I'll copy this Smartform and I will paste it over there. Okay, so where it was under the documents, that is Smartform, S, where we have downloaded. Yeah, here, copy this and I'll paste it over here in the local system. Right click, but here paste is not enabled. This is another problem. Okay, Yeah, internet is working fine over here. I will put into the shared folder Pankaj Kumar Amar the rate of hotmail.com. And so in the remote desktop, if you are logging with your user ID and password, make sure that you don't log in over there permanently. Okay, over there permanently. Fine. So this is one advice to you, because that system is not in your hand. And OneDrive I will open over here, and I will upload the Smartform. Okay, so the new upload file from the computer, under this document I will go into my files, and here directly I will upload files, and where we have put inside the documents Smartforms. Open this. To my files, 70 KB. Done this, and I refresh this. Smartforms, we have download this. So in XML format it has been downloaded. We have downloaded it, and it is there in this folder. Okay, right click, copy this one, and just paste it. So it's there in the Smartform over here. Now we can come and go to this environment, utility, upload, and upload from the desktop. Okay, in downloads also this Smartform is there. Double click and click on this allow. Okay, that's fine. Wow, nice, good. So it is uploaded now. So this is also you can upload, and everything has come over here. Now page number, raised, all these things. One program also will have to create over here, SC38. Okay, SC38 ZMB 28 APR SF driver. Executable program, and I will just copy and paste from there to here. Okay, slash and SC38. Go into display mode. We will copy from here, and I will paste it over here. Oh, will not be able to paste also, that is a problem. Put in a notepad, Control V, save as, and we will put inside the desktop and source code. Close OneDrive. Upload files, desktop, source code. Uploaded one item. Come over here, go here, go back, and source code, refresh this. Where is this? Okay, documents cache. Why? Documents, inside the documents there is a folder called cache. It is there inside the documents folder cache, and this is okay. Control A, Control C, and now I will be able to paste it. Control V, and this is fine. Remove this report name, and other thing is okay. Include J top. This also you'll have to copy, right? Come over here and J top. This include also you'll have to copy this one. I'll have to put into a notepad. Control V. Okay, do you have some another include also? Another include, only one include, so fine. We can save this one. Include. Okay, close. Upload files and include. And inside the documents, it's getting uploaded. Inside the documents, I'll come once again and I'll have to do, I don't have any other choice. Please bear with me. Documents, and here include we have done. I include just now. Copy this and come over here. Create this top include. Okay. Customer production program, save it. Control V, save the syntax, activate this one. Okay, so here in this program also, if you want, you can put the report name or program name. So what is that for this, for which report it should work? The name of the report, though that is not necessary. Altogether you can activate. Okay, altogether you can activate. Full stop, Control F2, activate this one. Now edit the above only report program. What it's telling is a web program can contain a report program or function pull statement. Each web program can contain. Go here. It's giving some another error. Right click and activate it from here. Currently editing. Go into display mode, right click and activate this. Okay, it's not allowing over here. Let's remove this one. Activate this. All together now we are going to activate, and this time it will be activated. Okay. Yes, right click and activate. What is the problem now? The database field integer and the result of the aggregate function, these are not compatible. Let me see. This BBRP up to 70 fields Okay, PTVBRP into table, right? PTVRP, come, okay. This table is also not there, no, right? This table is also not there. ZTT underscore BBRP in this particular, this is some different table some people other has created. We are having only 4 fields, right? So what we'll have to do, again we'll have to prepare this table also over here. Double click this type, click on this yes, and the global type also we can quickly create. Let's create a global type instead of, you know, but the thing is that again in the Smartform we are using there also it will give the error. So let's prepare this as a table type, global table type, because in a Smartform also we are using that. It will not take more time. Let's do this. ZTT, go to the data type, ZTT underscore BBRP 1. Okay, what's the name we have given it over here? What's the name? What's the name we have given? The name we have given ZTT underscore BBRP. Okay, from here I will right click, you know, ZTT underscore BBRP, that is fine over here. So it's already someone has created. So what I will do, I will delete there. Okay, due to use in dictionary object, that deletion cannot be performed. Table is still in, okay, it at many places it has been used, so it will not allow you to delete, but we can change, right? We can change. So here just I'm going to change the line type. I'm going to keep the same name of the line type. Okay, and here I'll give this line type. Okay, it's not getting copied. ZLS underscore BBRP, ZLS underscore BBRP, ZLS underscore BBRP. Press enter, press enter. It is not existing. That's good that it does not exist. And you'll have to manually type all this field over here. Posner NTGW NETWR. Okay, Posner NTGEW NETWR, and then what else? Matner ARKTX. Matner ARKTX. Typing method types. The component type Posner underscore VF, Posner underscore VF, then NTGEW underscore 15, NTGEW underscore 15, and then NETW underscore FP, NETWR underscore FP, and other is fine, ARKTX, and then MATNR. Okay, fill all, test, press enter, and this is fine. Save it, local object, activate this one. Some error is there. Let's see what is the error. BBRP, this the specify reference table and reference field, reference table, reference field. Okay, you can see that, you know, here it's asking to specify the reference table and reference field. So system wise, you know, it's a system wise it's changing. No, it's fine, because there, if you remember, I have copied from there, right, a structure. So it automatically it would have taken, it would have considered all these things, right? So whenever you are going to use the currency and quantity field, you know, whenever you are going to use the currency and quantity field, for that purpose you will have to use the units. So for quantity, you know, and for this currency, for both this field, what we'll have to do, come to this input or help check, go into the change mode, and for this, go into this change, go into the change. What happened?
And quantity field section, sir, we have to give now.
Yes, yeah. Quantity is there and currency is there, right? Quantity field and
In
currency field.
currency and quantity tab, we can provide that
Yeah,
particular
for
thing.
quantity we are having currency and quantity and price actually. So here currency and currency is there. So just take that same structure, copy this and put it over here. For this currency field, this is the quantity. So for quantity unit, again we'll have to go and check. So maybe from VBRP itself we can check, right? Go here /OSE11 and this BBRP F7, that NTTGEW. Come over here, go to this currency and quantity. This is the field GEWEI, BBRP GEWEI. Okay, and now for this NETWR, this is BBRK WAERK. Okay, BBRK, control V. Press enter, save it, check the syntax, activate this. Now it's fine. Go back, go to extra enhancement category, and generally we choose this, the second one. Copy this and save it, activate this. Now there is no error, nothing, it's fine. Let's go back and activate this table type. Come over here, go to this editor program. Now check the syntax. Programmer statement is missing over here. No problem, right click over here and try to activate together. It will be activated. Okay, currently we are editing, so we'll not be able to do so. Go into the display mode, right click and activate this. Going to edit and let's see that VRP1 is unknown. Fine, we have used the VRP. Control F2, now it's fine. Control F3, and now let's see what is the underscore GS, all these things is unknown. Okay, where we have defined this one, I have copied all those data from there, right? All the data we have copied. PB underscore BBL and all these things we have copied. This is in global, in include JTop, right? JTop, it is there in include. So include JTop, this is fine. What is the problem then? ls output of dd test is unknown, it's telling. Okay, parameters inactive. Let me do activate this. Now come over here, check the syntax. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so it is now activated. Run this and give some any value. I'm going to, not mandatory to give any value, just run this. We want to see that how the output is coming. Okay, go to this Smartform and we'll also activate this Smartform. Come to this and a Smartform builder. The Smartform is also activated. And then why this Smartform? Okay, why it's not working? Because the Smartform name is different, right? The Smartform name is different, and here in the program we have given that different Smartform name, right? So give the correct Smartform name, because the system we have changed. Put it this name, save it, activate it, run this, and this is not required. Press F8. Now it's not working. /h, and let's debug it. Okay, press F6, F6, get seller bidder, get function module, preview, press F5, prepare parameters, press F8, F5, display a Smartform, call here what it is coming, this 32, correct? This 32 is coming. Run this. Yeah, 32, that is fine, good. We are having this, some value, dummy value, some dummy value, some dummy value, print preview, LP01, and it's not displaying anything. Okay, message number, message ID, formatting error. It's telling that formatting error, some error. It's encountering in the system, right? Some formatting error it's encountering. Let's go and check what kind of formatting error, right? So if you press F6, there also, here also, you know, press F6, you will get this 1. You can see the size of RC1. That means the formatting error we are getting. Okay, size of RC1. So come over here and we'll see what kind of formatting error. So troubleshooting also you are learning at this point of time, right? So good, no problem. So a Smartform troubleshooting is also, you know, we have. So real-time example we are looking that such kind of error, if you are migrating, you can face such kind of error. So how to troubleshoot that error? Go back, and go into the main page. The has no defined value, no, that's fine, that's okay. Formatting error. Why formatting error? Because the smart style what you have created, right, it will not be there, correct? The smart style under the form attributes, this is right, the style we have created, this style is not there. What system will do? System is helpless, right? It's not able to find anything. Go to a Smartform. I will create some, you know, a smart style over there. Go to a style, Control F, click on this create button, and what we have created in the same way here also will create /n smart forms, go into this style, go into display, and let's see what we have created. Paragraph, we have created H0 P1 P2, right? So paragraph, right click, create node, we'll give H0, press enter, and here give some description, header or something like that. Let's see what we have given. 1 centimeter, this H0 we have given centered, right? So centered, and then the left margin and all what we have given, this 000, line spacing 1, font, this color and all. Okay, just dummy kind of things we are going to create. But the thing is that if you simply create like this, what will happen, that header will not come larger. Okay, the header will not come larger. So give some whatever it is. Okay, so how it was there, header, now it looks good. Font style bold, we can give. Color also we have selected maybe this one. The save it and local object, right click, create another node, and this time we are going to create the P1 and P2. For P1, what it is, this is fine, there is nothing over here. 0.10, okay, left line 0.10. Come over here, P1, right, it is P1 only, correct? P1, click on this OK button, indent and spacing, left line 0.10, left sorry, P1. Give over here the P1, press enter, and this is okay. It looks fine. 0.10, save it, right click, and we're going to create one more, P2. Okay, and in P2 what we have given in the P2, left aligned, and like this we have given. Okay, font color and all 13 bold italic. So P2 left aligned, left margin have we given over there, font 13.0 and bold italic. Okay, click on this font family is anything we can select, and italic bold, font size, font style, bold italic. Other thing will keep the same. Save it, and header data, a standard one will have to give at least something over here. Save it, check the syntax, activate this one. Now it is activated. Let's go and run the program once again, and we'll see if some error is coming. Okay, run this. This time I'll put a breakpoint also. Okay, so if some another error will come, we'll come to know quickly. Breakpoint, run this, press F8. The size of our C is going to be 0, you know, and that means our work is done. Size of our C is still 1. It's telling that again formatting error. Okay, let's do one thing. What I will do that, press F8.
Sir, we have not put a logo also.
Yes, logo also we have not put. That is right. Check terminated with warnings. So let's go and create the logo /o SC78. Download the logo, Apple logo. I will download that Apple logo. Right click and save image as logo. PNG image is this. It does not support the PNG image, so you'll have to accordingly take care. Close the another window, dictionary, display table, change mode. We can keep it graphics, SF driver, smartphone. Change mode. Double click over here. No, bitmap image, bitmap, the BMP image it supports. Click on this button, and you'll have to store first that one in a bitmap image. Right click, edit, and this is the PNG. Because it does not support so bitmap, we are going to save it in the logo.bmp. Okay, save it. Now it's fine. Now quickly go over here, and from the desktop give this logo name is something like logo, Apple logo. Z I'm giving for my identification, though it's not required. Over here, Apple logo, click on this OK button, allow, and now it's fine. We have done Z Apple logo, copy. So now go to this Smartform once again, /n smart forms, go into change mode, and then inside this page, in the page, this is the logo window, come over here, output options. Well, logo window, that graphics has not come, right? Graphics was not uploaded. See, system is smarter than us. Here, no, here it's there. Okay, I thought it is not uploaded. Fine, give the name over here. Okay, so better let's select from the what here, so automatically the correct object and ID will be displayed. Okay, so control V, color bitmap image, black and white image we have used as a color bitmap. So both selects whatever it is match, it will just take it. Okay, this one. So now graphics, all these things is fine. Just save it and activate this one. Activated. Let's see if it is displaying over here. At least was generated but errors encountered. It's telling that it's some error, it's there, some error, it's there again. But what is the actual error? It's not telling. So LP01, nothing, because the error is there. Let's go and check what is the error. Because until and unless you correct the error, nothing, you will not be able to do anything. Okay, the next page, this page window, go to this form painter and let's see everything is looking fine or not. This logo, main window, detail, text 9, click over here and this text 9, W underscore BBRP, field W underscore BBRP. Okay, fine. Come over here under the global definition under this type TS underscore BBRP, right? This TS underscore BBRP is declared over here. TS underscore, yes, it is there. Okay, now GV underscore global price, this is also fine. Then what is the error? Why it's saying the error? Text 9, Posner, W underscore BBRP underscore Posner has no defined value. It is the binded value, right? It's the binded value, and this field we have, it's coming from the data field. It's coming from the data field. M underscore W underscore BBRP and W underscore BBRP we are having over here. What is the problem then? Posner. It looks good to me. For me, there is no problem over here. Okay, it should work. Check the syntax over here. Here it's fine. Check now. Posner, this is giving this, this warning is creating this problem. Why this warning is creating this problem? Let me do one thing. I will cut this. Okay, I will cut this. Just a second.
Message it is showing that it's a formatting error, no? Maybe I think.
But what kind of formatting error? What kind of formatting error? In P1, P2, everything we have defined, right? This warning is also, this is not the correct one, no? This warning. Let me check. I'm not sure. Okay. Click on this OK button, and I'm going to check this. I'm showing the same once again. Okay. So I need to check this one. What kind of P1, P2, everything we have given, right? P1, P2, all those things we have given. So new paragraph, they start view properties, output options. Here in the
Yep.
general attribute, that option is not also coming over here. No, that style option is no.
In output option we have to provide a style name, no? Then it will come.
Okay, same style name we have created, no? Right? It should be there, I think.
No,
Let's go and check. Yeah, you were right, but I think it should be already there. Output options. Okay, it's not there. Go to this form attributes, and we have created the same, right? So style is the same over here also, or it is different. It should be same, then only it will work. Let's go and check. ZMB23 demo SFS style, come over here. Yeah, it's same, right? Demo 23 demo FSS. That's correct. Okay, so as you were telling, I just go over here and I will give this a style, press enter, and now check the syntax. There is nothing changed. Go here, go to the general attribute and go click on this. Style P1 P2 is coming. P1 I think we'll have to give the P2, right? What we have been using over there, remember, P1 or P2? Which style we have been using over here? Okay, let's suppose I'm going to give the P1 over here. Okay, go back. For this, and again I'll have to go and check for this also. Go click on this button. Maybe up here the style is not coming anything, so P1, go back. Okay, good. So like that, I'll have to correct all this. Nothing is there, that may be the problem. Okay, so all the text I have to go and correct this one. Okay, all the text P1 is there already. This style P1 is there. And for this, and go once again here. So do one thing, just stop our session over here. Okay, and tomorrow we'll not meet. Directly will meet on day after tomorrow. I will correct here, and the remaining stuff like some folder concept and template concept is there. Just I will share with you that knowledge, and then we will be going towards the Adobe form. Okay, so because the session is going long, I will correct myself over here and I'll share you that what the other problem is there. It seems if we correct this one with this, it will be by this it will by correcting this it will work. Okay, so others, what you can do, just you can do the same server is there in the same system. You can go and try doing all these things and check like if it is
Okay,
okay
okay, sir.
working or
Okay,
not.
sir. I do.
Yeah,
I do.
just try to correct
Um,
this error. Okay.
yeah. Yes.
So yeah, so the name of the smart form, it's downloaded over here, and this is fine. This is fine. Okay. So the name of the, you can, this is the name of the smart form. This is the name of the smart form. I'm just going to ping you. Sorry, from there we cannot copy. That is a problem. So ZMB23 demo SFS. Okay, ZMB23 demo SFS. This is the smart form name, and the program name ZSF driver. You can search ZSF driver with this, and the smart style you can check /n smart forms. The smart style, this is the smart style ZMB. No. The smart style name I have just sent you. That was the smart style name, and the smart form name ZMB22 my demo. This is okay. The last one is the smart form name. The SFS last is there, so that is the smart style. Just check this one. Okay, and we'll meet day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm not available. Day after tomorrow we are going to meet it over here. Okay, so other people just leave over here, and uh, just stop, just wait for a while. I'm going to stop the recording. I have some query to you people.